Next, in this video we'll take equilibrium constant, how to calculate the equilibrium constant Kc by using the Nernst equation. So already we discussed how to write the Nernst equation. So what is Nernst equation? Very simple. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N into concentration of products by concentration of reactant. Now at equilibrium, here we have written here, at equilibrium E cell will be 0 because at equilibrium nothing reaction, forward and backward reaction takes place simultaneously, so no change occurs. E cell is equal to 0. Now substitute here E cell equal to 0 here. Now we get this equation, right? Now after substituting here E cell equal to 0 here. Now minus comes here, will convert into plus. Now E naught cell equal to 0.059 by N into log concentration of product by concentration of reactant. Now here cross multiply here, this one here. Now log concentration of product by reactant is equal to what? N into E naught cell by 0.05. This equation we are going to get. But concentration of product by concentration of reactant equal to Kc. Log Kc equal to what? N into E naught cell by 0.0. This is the final equation we are going to. Otherwise in the terms of 40 also same thing we get here. Okay. This is always equal to Kc. You have studied in the 11th class. Okay. Next, we have taken zinc copper cell in which E naught cell number of times we calculated, that will be 1.1. Otherwise you write like this. E naught cell equal to what? Just now we have taken E naught cell equal to E cathode, E naught cathode minus E net anode. Cathode is copper, hai na? For this one how much we take? 0.36. For this one what? Minus 0.74. So 0.36 minus 0.74 will be what? 1.1. That is 1.1 I have taken here. Now substitute here 1.1. Substitute how many electrons for zinc? 2 electrons. No, here you take. Now we are going to get log Kc equal to 37.288 you got here. Now how to log Kc equal to 37.288. How to convert this one into Kc? Very simple. Take anti-log here. Take anti-log of like this. Here I have taken what? Log Kc equal to 37.288. Now take anti-log. How to convert? I have to cancel this log. Take anti-log here. Now when you take anti-log, log get cancelled. Now anti-log Kc I have taken, you see. Anti-log of Kc cancelled here. Now Kc equal to what here? Anti-log of 37.28. Now 37.288 I can write like 37 plus 0.288. Now anti-log of 37 equal to 10 to the power of 37. Now you see, what about 0.288? So you see log 2 equal to how much? 0.3. Take anti-log, log cancel. Anti-log of 0.3 is equal to 2. Now you see around roughly anti-log of 0.88 roughly near to what? 0.3 only, no? So that is the reason you take 2. You take one more example here, clear understand here. E naught cell value how much I got? 0.46. Now substitute in this formula. Okay, log Kc is equal to N into E naught cell by 0.05. This formula you have to consider. When you substitute in this formula here, right, log Kc. Now what we get here? E naught cell, isn't it? They taken like this, no problem, but we are calculating in log Kc. So log Kc equal to what here? Formula N into E naught cell divided by 0.059. This is the formula only, no? Now E naught cell is how much given? 0.46. Substitute here what? 0.46. N value how many electrons are substituting here? Copper 2, no? 2 plus means what? 2 electrons. Substitute here 2. Now log Kc equal to how much you got after substitution log like this, you got 15.6. Log Kc equal to how much you got, 15.6. Same, if you don't understand, you say same thing. Now log Kc equal to how much you got, 15.6. Now take antilog of you write like this, antilog Kc get cancel here, antilog of log cancel. Now Kc equal to what, antilog of 15.6 here. Now 15.6 you can write 15 plus 0.6. Now antilog of 15 equal to how much, 10 to the power of 15. Now antilog of 0.6, how to calculate, say log 4 equal to what, 0.6. Take antilog here, antilog of log get cancel. Now antilog of 0.6 equal to what, 4. So take here 4 value. Roughly you got 3.9 value like this. In this way we need to do. One more thing is what, calculation of Gibbs energy. How do you calculate the Gibbs energy here? The formula will be delta G is equal to minus N into F into E cell. So when you put here delta G naught, we get here E naught also. You see this one? See, this is the formula. E naught, E naught. Now how to calculate delta G by N, number of electron. Faraday is always 96,500. E naught cell you have to substitute here. You take a problem here in which E naught cell is already we know 1.1 volts. Now substitute here 1.1. Now F is equal to what, nothing but what, 96,500 or exactly 487. N equal to how many electrons, 2. Now if you substitute like this, we are going to get the delta G. So when you substitute the this values, delta G we are going to get in terms of kilojoules, right? That is you have to consider. Next, one more problem we'll take. Second problem I'm doing here. Now actually E naught cell first we need to calculate. Now in this this is having what, more reduction potential, and this is having what, less reduction potential. This will be what, anode, and this will be what here, cathode here, right? Now what I am taking here, E naught cell. E naught cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. E cathode is how much here, 0.8 minus 0.80 minus 0.77. How much you are going to get value, 0.03. 0.03 actually, isn't it? This will be the E naught cell. Now what will be the formula? This will be the formula, delta G. N equal to how many electrons here? See here, plus 3 converting into plus 2, 1 electron only. Okay, say here what, this value will be 1, this value will be 96,487. E naught cell value how much here, 0.03. Now we are going to get answer is what here, something 2.895. you will get in terms of joules, convert into in terms of kilojoules here, right? Now how to calculate the Kc now? Now again the formula will be, if we consider here one more formula also we can write, delta G naught equal to, this is also one more formula we can take here, right? In this formula, otherwise you can take this same formula, log Kc equal to what, isn't it, N into E naught cell by this one is what, right? Now N equal to 1, E naught cell equal to how much, 0.03 by 0.059. Now what we get here, we are going to get this one at 0.5 507, something like this. So log K equal to 0.507. Now what to do here, anti-log, take anti-log here, Now this will be cancelled. K equal to antilog 0.507. Okay. Now to calculate antilog of 0.0507, you take roughly what happened, log 3 equal to roughly you are going to get 0.48, right? 0.48. Now you take log 3.2 something. Okay, that will be what? Definitely 0.507 something roughly. Now take antilog here. Take antilog here. Now this log will be cancelled here. Now antilog of 0.507 equal to how much? 3.2. Now K equal to what here? 3.2. This way we can do the problem. This is the one more problem. Here also you can calculate delta G. Here in this equation, zinc converting into zinc plus 2 in this Ag2O. That means Ag2 is nothing but what? Ag plus only. Okay, Ag plus convert into Ag. Here also you can calculate the problem. Here one more problem. Calculate Kc and delta G. E naught is given directly. Calculate the delta G naught and also what? Kc by using the formula. These are the assignment questions you have to do. This one assignment question. This is also assignment question. And this one also an assignment question. Okay, do these problems in the notebook, whatever we discuss. In addition to that one, you have to do the assignment problems also. This is about the equilibrium constant and Gibbs